Good luck.
Ciao, ciao.
Good morning. We are going to the city to request like a big container to put all the rubble in. Unfortunately, we can't do it online or via telephone, so we have to go there and ask personally. In the meantime, we have our staff working for us, so hopefully it'll only take a bit.
Non puoi venire con il mezzo.
Almost cleared out the whole garden. A little forest. Yeah. Wow.
Nice. Did it well.
Well, we have your pay. It is a little watermelon.
Yeah.
We're letting this cure overnight, and then tomorrow we'll be able to come back and cover up the hole. So we've just ordered that container, which is coming in a few days. We need to prepare for that, so we're gathering every bit of plastic rubble thing that has to go, and we're basically putting it in one place so we can easily access it once the container has arrived. Wow. I think we find our next trophy, but we're not gonna keep the whole car. Probably gonna take a little bit, like a little small part, and keep that as a trophy. Making progress here, and the idea of this bit of garden is it runs all the way along that edge to the back there, and there's a little gate spot where we can grow our own tomatoes and vegetables and herbs and everything. So that's what we'll try to do. It has the most sun in the morning and during the midday as well. Victory!
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, Jesus. Bij is onder. Go!
Yes. Okay, I think that's the trophy. Or the gas pedal. Or the brake. Or the clutch.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's not gonna...
Oh my god.
Opening.
Wat?
Do you want a piece of melon? Oh. Oh, so close. Let's flip a car.
And then we're gonna start it then.
Yeah.
And then we drive it all the way down.
Alright, what's a small car?
It's a small car. Yeah. So, okay, let's go. Let's drive. Sam, can you push the button? And then we go down.
So this is the legendary Fiat we've been finding pieces for all over the garden. Still a shame that we didn't find a steering wheel, because that would have been fun. It would have been a nice trophy. Okay, maybe that's like a better trophy for the garden. Wow. This place definitely needs cleaning. Feels like we're like a charity, like a cleaning up. Yeah. So much plastic.
Yeah.
It's quite a big skull. What is that? There's so much. Look, we got these bags stuffed with trash, and still there is plenty spread around here. Insane. Oh, it's gonna be such a nightmare to get this all out in a few days. Oh, so much trash. Can't even close the door anymore.
Nice.
All right. In the next one, we're gonna move all this trash down below so we can fill that container that we talked about earlier, so we can finally have a more clean space to work with. Hope you enjoyed this one, and see you in the next one. Ciao.